my foot, Michael.
Good luck, guys. Try.
You need to do it louder. Fail! Fail!
Guys, you know it says in that sign about you're finding no stench on the property, and they got a camera watching you. I leave.
Okay.
Okay? I don't want you to get
But it doesn't say scooters.
huh?
It doesn't say scooters.
Does anything. It's a liability. I don't care. I'm just trying to keep you from getting in trouble, okay?
Yes, mammy.
Thank you.
Okay, have a happy Thanksgiving. You
Thanks, you too, mammy. Fail!